In the shadowed arms of the jungle's hold, a white-breasted nuthatch, a story untold. Her song cuts through where the light won't go, in the hush of the trees where the secrets grow. I watch her whispers, she's learning to fly. Each note she sings feels like dew on my skin, a hymn to the wild where life begins. Oh, nuthatch, your melody's free, a tiny symphony in the tallest tree. Your voice carries dreams where the wild vines curl. The stars peek through as her music flows, a light in the dark where nothing else glows. The jungle hums with her echo refrain, a bird